I'm Dr. Christina Blanchard Horan, mystic yogi and transformation coach. I also offer wellness advising. And as a part of that, I have designed a detox system specifically for people with cancer or other chronic illnesses, chronic severe. Detox is great if you want to clean your liver, if you need to detox, if you have heavy metals in your system, if you've been exposed to chemicals, if you're going through chemotherapy. There are a number of different reasons why you would want to do detox. Anyway, if you are interested in learning more, I offer a free brochure on the detox, and pick it up on my website at mystic-yogi.com, or you can go to mystictransformationcoach.com. That's a little longer, but doesn't require the dash. So you guys join me there. If you're interested in the detox, we just finished one, and I must say this person is very happy with the results. Their platelets skyrocketed. Yeah, they had dropped, sinking down to like 120, and they skyrocketed 346 after the detox and follow-up. And also liver function, even though she'd been going through chemo, liver function was right on task. I mean, just right on the edge, but within range. So we were very pleased because that had been out of range also. Anyway, there are a number of ways to approach this, and I look forward to hearing from you and learning your story. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. I'm wishing you a joyful and prosperous day. Namaste.